This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Claudia Yepes. Come and see this adorable charming ranch home. Located only steps away from the amazing LINC. This is a fabulous ranch plan that features open great room/eat and kitchen area with huge island. All common area has durable LVP laminate flooring, granite and kitchen. Unique laundry room that connects to the oversized owner's closet. Fourth bedroom/bonus room upstairs features a full bath and closet. This charming home has a lot of open living space, a covered patio, and owner's suite on the main floor. For more information, review the details below or contact Claudia Yepes at 770-254-0079.